Hi there, so I just wanted to get on here and talk to you a little bit about what I like to call a lip kit. So the lip kit is essentially a multitasker brush, which is perfect for lips, and 4 colors. So you have a highlight, a contour, and 2 lip and cheeks. You can fully customize this. You can get an illuminator instead of the highlight. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and where I wanna begin with is lining my lips. So I'm going to take my contour and I'm going to overline my lips just a smidge. That's allowing the lip to look like it's fuller and more plump, okay? Don't worry, it gets blended out a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the highlight. So I'm going to dip into this highlight. I'm using linen here. And we're going to come just inside that contour. Just at the top of my lip, and then right here on this outer corner. So that's that. And then I'm gonna take that contour and I'm just gonna kind of fill in a little bit on these inner corners. Now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna flip to the other side of my brush, and I'm going to take this color here that's called Ruby, and see the inner corner, inner side of my mouth. I'm gonna add this Ruby color. And then I'm gonna take this ballerina color on the outside. And then what I love to do is just take my finger and smash it all in. And there we have it, all done. And what you can do now at the very end, if you want to add an extra pop, is take some of that highlight and put it right in the middle of your bottom lip. Just like that. And then we've highlighted and contoured our lips. You can do any kind of combo of lips together to customize it. Have a lot of fun. This is nude lip, but still allowing it to look full and pursed and beautiful. So it's really up to you how glam or how crazy you want it to be. This can happen with not just a nude lip. You can do it with bold lips as well. So I hope that was helpful, and